In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook posts with Canva in just 20 minutes. We'll guide you through this process step by step, and by the end, you'll be creating stunning posts that are ready to captivate your audience on Facebook. To kick things off, open your browser and go to Canva's official website. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account, but if you're on board already, just log in. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, find the search bar at the top of the page. Type Facebook post and you'll see a list of related options appear. Click on the Facebook post option to proceed. Here, you'll enter the world of templates, a treasure trove of pre-designed layouts that are just waiting for your personal touch. Browse through these and you'll notice a wide array of styles and themes. Whether you're looking for something modern, playful, or sophisticated, there's likely a template that fits your vision. Take your time and explore the options, and once you've found a template you like, click on it to select it. Now it's time to get personal with your post. Locate the button labeled Customize this template and click on it. This is where the real fun begins, as the template opens up a creative playground for you to explore. The template can now be tailored to reflect your style, message, and brand. Start by editing the text within the template. Canva makes it intuitive. Just click on any text box and start typing. You can modify the font style, size, and color to ensure that your message stands out. Tailor the content to fit the purpose of your post, whether you're announcing an event, showcasing a product, or sharing a personal story. Once the text is set, it's time to enhance your post with images. If the template has a preset image, click on it to replace it with one of your own. You can upload images directly from your device or choose from Canva's extensive library of free and premium images. Pick an image that resonates with your message and draws the viewer's eye. And there you have it. Mastering Canva for Facebook posts is all about exploring, adjusting, and creating. With your new post polished and ready to go, you can now save your design. You have options to either download it in various formats or share it directly to your Facebook page from Canva. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with more templates and designs to really hone your creative skills. With Canva, the possibilities for designing engaging Facebook posts are endless. Thanks for following along today, and happy designing.